So today we will be focusing on another expert advisor. It is called AI Gen MT4 and it works for gold only. Hello everyone, I hope you are doing great. Today videos I will be recording to review this AI Gen MT4. It is gold robot that the seller claimed that this EA work on using chat GPT, and the broker he recommend use any ECM broker, and the minimum deposit $100 VPS location. It is important that you use VPS. Time frame is 30 minutes, so this is a scalper EA, and the average holding time is 2 hours only, and it does not use grid or martingale at least, so we will have to see whether it is true or not. And at the end of the video I will test this EA on the demo and I will give you the pro and cons as usual. So as you can see, the AI Gen, we have 4.9 review or rate for this EA according to MQL5, and the EA claims that this EA is using, or the creator claiming that this robot is using trading reality and neural network. So what that means, it is in simple term, the EA use AI and it uses chat GPT, or it is GPT platform. So I am not sure if it is a chat GPT. It may be the method of chat GPT, the AI, which equalize the frequency spectrum of input series, allowing more complete analysis of series data. So what mean, the EA basically analyze the data in real time. It does not depend on any historical data as indicator, read the data as it is, and then it simply decide whether to sell or buy. And we do have two signals for this EA, which is very great. We will analyze both of them. However, as per now, 48 people already purchased this EA for $799, and is basically what this description is. It is very simply telling that this is suitable for pro firms. EA does not use parasitic strategy, meaning martingale and grid, and the EA trade testing, that means testing is same as real trading, and it is suitable for beginner and professional trader as well. So it uses the latest strategy of ATFnet. To be honest, I'm not sure what is. I know that GPT, it is related to AI, but this one I'm not sure, and it can work for any broker. That is amazing, and you can use $100 only as a minimum trading balance. Now for reviews, we have many positive reviews, which is interesting. However, we don't know if these people are real people or they are paid, because there are many people, many sellers, they will pay for some people, they will give them offer discount for exchange of good review. So we will not be depending on this. Instead, I never take this for granted. Instead, I test the EA myself. Now if you go back to the live signal, we can see that he already made 133% in live, which is very interesting, and the deposit was only $16, okay, and the drawdown is 4.2. Now the gold, usually even if you open 0.01, the drawdown for gold is higher because the price, the pip, is higher in value comparing to other currency. So the drawdown is very low, and it's interesting. We have 100% profit trade and zero losing trade. Now this is the dilemma happening. Why we have zero loss? So either we need wait for more result to see, because it is not possible to be 100% all the time. I'm sorry, even we have 9 weeks, I will not be buying this no matter what. And the average holding time is 2 hours, which is very interesting and amazing. I like the result. If you go back to May, we have 96%, 11, now we have 5 in July, and as a result he made 133. So the drawdown is very low. You can see the maximum drawdown is 4.2%, and it is very consistent accordingly to the chart. Now if you go back to trading history, we'll understand more. For example, in one day or in a daily basis, he make 1 to 2 trade, which is very good. We don't have sudden increasement of the volume. So yes, we have 0.1, we have 0.3, but that does not mean it used martingale. And the average holding time is very interesting. Now the reason why I am because maybe this is new, or maybe this EA is really using AI. I mean, imagine in 3 months he only managed to open basically maybe 20 trades. Let me see how many trades he opened, and all of them in profit. So that give me indicator that first we have only 21 trades. So this is very interesting. So the AI does not open trade as often time. That means it will open trade, but it will be higher accuracy. Now, does that mean it will be 100% all the time? Unfortunately, that is not the case. We know the Forex, everything can change. And we have 21 trades, so we cannot analyze based on this. We need more data. And interestingly, that this EA in over 3 months, it managed to open 21, all profit. I don't know whether it's luck or it is algorithm. I mean, we never know. So we cannot really read based on this. We will have to test it for ourselves to see what is the issue here. So let me just give you one tip. In this real-time signal, he is using a mode called turbo. So if you're using turbo, you will get this result. And if you're using another mode, GPT 4.0, that will be another result. So if we go to the second signal, now this is more realistic. We can see we have 8.7 losses, we have 91 accuracy, we have 10% drawdown, and we have 500 initial deposit, which is very interesting. This is live signal, and the average holding time is higher. So we have 10 hour in comparing to 2 hour. This is very interesting EA, and we still making profit 34 to 6%, and this is more realistic, to be honest. And we have 10% drawdown as a maximum. Now if we go back, we can see that mean the EA hit stop loss or cut loss. We have many, the accuracy is still high, but we do have stop loss in this mode. So we do not have any increasing in the lot size. That means the EA is good. However, even for 2 months, he only managed to open 23 trades. So this EA does not trade frequently or more often time. However, whenever it trade, the accuracy is higher. So this is very important lesson. You don't need to trade every day to make money. In 3 months, he only made 21 trade, but yet he was able to make a lot of money. So we hope that this continue. Now let me go back to the chart and the dashboard. What I did basically, I attached this into demo account, and I have open trade in loss already. However, if you go back to the setting, I use it higher risk. Now it is recommended you use 1 or 2, because using 4 or 3 is very risky. And you can, this is for pro firm, you can activate it for maybe FTMO or something like that. You can activate trading stop loss, that would be good. You can change magic number, you can change comment. This is very interesting, and this is the mode. So the first signal he was using was turbo, and the second one is 4.0, and I'm currently using 4.0 with low aggressively. I supposedly that mean if you choose low, that mean you will have less trade. So that being said, now you can see we have stop, this is take profit, and this is stop loss. So the stop loss is way higher than take profit. So that means this is one of the disadvantage unfortunately, but that's why the accuracy make high, because the stop loss is far away, but the take profit, it is higher probability you will hit the take profit because it is less distant. Now I do have one trade only, it hit take profit, and I will see what will happen to this EI. Basically, I will let this work for some time, and then I will share it back with you in the comment in my Telegram channel, and we will see what is heading to. Now, as usual, I will give you pro and cons. So the pro, we have live signal. The cons, we need more data because we cannot analyze based on 20 to 40 trade only. The EI have high accuracy. However, the stop loss distance is too much, and this is one of the disadvantage. And also EA does not use any martingale or /grid, which is great. However, we need more time, and we will not be sure if this is going to work forever. I think the average holding time is also good. We have 2 hour only, but the other mode has 10 hour. So I believe this EI currently would give it 4 out of 5. I believe this is the fair review and fair rate for this EI, because at the end of the day, we need more time and we need to test it by ourselves, and I will test it for sure and share it with you. So the time will tell what will be the future of this AI. I hope you enjoyed this video. As usual, thank you for watching.